Expanding into international markets is an expensive undertaking. The CanExport program provides your business with financial support to open up international markets to your products and services. Hi, I'm Kaylee with SJE Consulting, and we specialize in helping companies like yours easily access the CanExport program. The first step is to see if your business qualifies for CanExport support. You'll need to be able to answer yes to the following. Are you a for-profit company legally incorporated in Canada? Is your revenue between $100,000 and $100 million annually? Are you expanding into new international markets and growing your business? The benefits that you can expect from the CanExport program are financial support through cost sharing. Successful applicants will receive 75% refund on an eligible project expense to a maximum of $75,000. A successful project will be able to show benefits to Canada. Your project will bring new jobs and investments to Canada, increase sales internationally, and invigorate the Canadian industry and economy. A target market, a strategic selection of a new international market that takes into consideration the challenges, competition, and growth opportunities it represents. Eligible expenses and activities. Costs incurred as a result of international market development are covered. Day-to-day business operations are not eligible to receive funding. Applying to the CanExport grant requires a marketing plan, budget, milestones, key performance indicators, sales projections, identifying potential customers in the international markets, and timelines. As a business owner, your time is both limited and valuable. And putting this information together is going to take you weeks or months. Or you can call SJE Consulting, and here's what we'll do. Prepare all of your marketing plans, identify potential customers in target markets, create milestones and key performance indicators, as well as the project budget. We will determine the revenue and employment growth projections, complete the online application, and take care of all reporting. We do it all for you. This is what Anthony, president of Core Flooring Accessories, had to say about SJE Consulting. SJE Consulting worked as part of our team, procuring grants for every phase of our project from start to finish. It was great to be able to focus on the project and our core business and let SJE Consulting handle the government bureaucracy. You're an expert in your field and at running your business. Let us be part of your team, securing the CanExport resources and support to help your business expand and profit internationally and at home. What do you have to do? Call us and let's talk. We're experts at turning conversations into successful grant applications.